South Africa khuluma nathi ufikile la South Africa
ngifike
khuluma sikuzwe
ngifike inyanga kuphela
nyanga ephelile unamaphepha okusebenza la
unamaphepha
unayo ipermit yokusebenza South Africa then ufunani
passport na
ambekini wena kuphi ekhaya Mozambique abantu bala South Africa banamsebenzi wena ubhizi uthetha umsebenzi wethu la South Africa ukufaka ibrata ngithi angisho niphacile la emaplazini ngicabanga ukuthi nikumnandi kuyazenzela ozala wena kuyazenzela kumnandi ne kumnandi ne ilento enifuna khola malini la rate malini cheap labor ne khola malini la South Africa khuluma nathi
ukhola malini
pendula baba
khuluma nathi 150 ngelanga jwayela kabi mina bani gama lakho sondela ngifuna ukukuzwa ngizwa mina ngiyezwa kahle ngibani gama lakho Abdul wakabani Benzani hlala phi kuphi neMozambique Nyambani le ngihambe etotiletete mina eMozambique ne mara zange ngifike ngihlale bengihlula ngi-tourist nina waye niza la nizoceda umsebenzi wa South Africa and a cheap labor 150 per day anibona nis-exploitisa ngalamabhunu ngcono nihambeni madoda.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. So these are foreigners abasebenza emafarm njengoba sibabona bahlangana nabo lana bayabamisa bababuda ukuthi do you guys have papers ukuthi nisebenze la South Africa and bayasho ukuthi they don't have papers bafike la South Africa ngalokho ngekho emthethweni bathi maphepha nawo yini ukuthi nisebenze la bathi cha into lesinayo nje nathini sinema passport and I think they are foreigners laba qawanga I don't know ukuthi mhlambe benangabomu or vele they are confusing passport as maphepha because each and every time ababudwa ngemaphepha ukuthi do you guys have papers ukuthi nisebenze la South Africa they always mention ukuthi bona banema passport whereas passport yokuthi utravel usuke kulenye country akusiyokuthi uyosebenza kuleyo country leyo so ngifela ngazuthi ba confuse the two. So bayabatshela ukuthi oh nini ni cheap labor nifika lana nitothatha umsebenzi wema South Africans how much are you guys getting paid and they were saying ukuthi babhala 150 ngelanga njengoba sibabona bagibele lapha evenini babe emsebenzini emaplazini so uyabona nje bonke labalapha evenini they are not South Africans kunebantu abaqasha abantu boqhamuka because they know ukuthi abantu boqhamuka badokhona kuba exploiter kahle noma uthi umholela imali nakanankinga uthatha lomnika kona because ufuna umsebenzi desperate where else bantu bala South Africa or they know they are worth they know ukuthi ngeke nje ngize ngisebenzele imali lencane but bona bathatha kwasani hence why it is easy for bona ukuthi baqasheke. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.